Okay, assalamu alaikum. Now see, I'm going to revise this one again. Look. Now this concept you must know that straight lines are vertically opposite angle. For example, this if two lines are straight, maybe I'm not drawing very straight, but if two lines are straight and then the angle form vertically, the angles form vertically will be equal to each other. Okay, will be equal to each other. But for example, if the line is not straight, if the line is not straight like this, these angles are not equal. So this is not vertically opposite angle. I mean the angles are not vertically opposite. They are vertically opposite to each other, but they are not equal because this line is crooked, is twisted upward. But these are straight line crossing each other. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Also this angle also will be equal. Okay? Because they are forming under straight line. I hope this one is very clear now. And now I move here. When I move here, this 80 is here, and this is formed between, like what I said here. They are formed between each other. 82 is given here, so this 82 is equal to m plus 45. Otherwise, m plus 45 is equal to 82. So m plus 45 is equal to 82. Therefore, m is equal to 82 minus 45, which is equal to 37, Mariam, right? Mariam?
Yeah.
37,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay, I found m. One is done. Let me go for another one. Wait. If you don't understand, also wait. Okay? Now, I have this 32 and j. This applies also here. That also applies here because they are forming under straight line. Therefore, immediately I can write j is equal to 32 degree. Okay? So I found j. All right?
Right. Okay.
Okay, now I will go for k. I know k is also like forming under straight line, so it applies here. So I can say k is also equal to 66 degree. Am I clear or not?
Yeah.